Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another Dollar Tree haul. So you guys, there were some things in there I hadn't seen before, so I was super excited. But let me go ahead, I'm going to show you everything I got. Well, we'll just go bag by bag. I absolutely love these. So I have so many of them, but they had one more left in this white color. I put labels right across here and I use them as drawers for, I just put these in a shoe rack. So it really helps me organize here in the craft room. What else did I grab? I grabbed one of these silicone sink strainers. I had never seen this before, but it's silicone. I thought it was cool. And now that I'm looking at it, I could probably, oh, now I'm going to have to go buy another one. I was going to say I could probably do a nice acrylic pour through it, right? Wouldn't that be cool? Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, I did buy it for the sink, but we'll never know. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, so this is new to me, and I thought it was so cool. It's a gold basket. It's just it looks really high-end to me. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Cheesy or high-end? I thought it kind of looked high-end. So not only that, they had other ones. Look at this one. Oh, this is a post office receipt. I sent stuff out today to people who ordered from me, so there we go. That's your notification. Another one. This one is, it's Essentials. I guess it's Greenbrier. It is. So I thought that was cool. So it's Dollar Tree. And this is like a letter carrier. So like you can put all your pages in there, papers and whatnot. So I thought this was really cool. They had another one. Actually, they had one that kind of looked like this. But it was in this gold. It was this shape, about this size, but in this gold. I didn't have a use for that one, so I didn't grab it. What did I grab, though? Let's see. I've got more. I've got, a couple more bags. Okay, for my grandsons. You guys, they have these little kind of Lego type things. They're not Legos. They're called Make It blocks, but they look exactly like Legos for $1. 24 pieces. If you were to get this like at Target or Walmart and it was the Lego brand, you'd be paying like $7 or $8 for it. Trust me, I've done it. So I picked up a couple of these, and then they also have these little guys. They're same brand, Make It blocks, and it's got this is the zombies, so there's little zombie creatures in there. Got another set there, and then a third one there. It says 34 pieces, so I'm assuming you're gonna make those little zombies. What else did I get? I got a couple of these. I always have to have these on hand, and I have not had any. So I'm like, I need to grab a couple. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing with them yet. Oh, I did pick these up. They're chocolate marshmallow filled milk chocolates. They're little chocolate marshmallows in there. These are tasty, so I picked them up. And it feels like there's like 4 little eggs in there. I got these. These are brand new to me. I've never seen them before. They're called Pearl Wrap. They had them in this pearl color. Can you see that? So they had this pearl color. They have a silver. I picked up those two. They also have a gold. So I was thinking the gold would actually look kind of neat, maybe weaved in and out of these gold trays. So now that I think about it, I probably should have grabbed the gold. What else? Oh, I got some DIY stuff. I found the letterboard finally, and I found it in gray. Now, let me tell you what you want to do. Make sure, whatever you're going to spell, you have enough letters, because you may need to buy 2 or 3. And make sure that these lines are straight, because sometimes they're put in crooked. Even this one is a little crooked, but it's straight enough. It was the straighter of everything. They had them in black, and they had them in gray. I also picked up these little guys. I'm going to do a DIY with a card for it. They're little fudge hearts. And then here, if I could show you my phone, you guys, I about had a meltdown yesterday. So I do have the brand new iPhone 12 Max Pro, like whatever one you could get. And I dropped it. And it shattered. The glass just shattered. And I was like, oh my goodness, this phone. But fortunately, I had a screen guard on there. So only the screen guard shattered. So you guys, these are a lifesaver. They're only $1. So I picked up another one while I was there. This fits the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus. So it's kind of, I'm like measuring it up to the phone right now. It's almost about the same size, not exactly. I did order the correct one on Amazon, but for $1, this is worth it to just stick it on until I get my correct one on Amazon. So definitely have those screens on there. Okay, this is new as well, and it is beautiful. I don't think I'm going to DIY it. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. You see that? It says hello, and it's got the little leaves here. I just think it is adorable, and it just sits. So very pretty. Now to do some DIYs, I did grab, now I'm looking at this heart. It's got a little bit of a thing there. It is kind of balsa wood, I guess. But I got, look how big this heart is for $1. You try and buy this over at Walmart, not Walmart, Michael's, and these are like $3 or $4. So I got this one, $1. I got this one. How pretty is that? I'm going to do a pour on this one. $1. And then this one, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I sure do like it. I should have got more, but I just wanted to get a couple to do some DIYs for you guys. So I bought 2 of them because you can't just do one. I mean, sometimes I do one, but I'm going to do 2. Woo. I also picked up, look at this. It's a little candle holder. Can you see all those colors shining through? It doesn't even do it justice. It's got some sparkle in there. It's got some glitter in there, some chunky glitter, some fine glitter. It's nice in a purpley pink. And can you see the rainbows? There's rainbowy stuff in there. So look at that. So pretty. I only grabbed one of these. Oh, I did pick up some of these. It was the last one, and I even asked the lady, I'm like, where would I find any more of these? Because she had it just laying on the shelf. And she's like, that's the last one. I just stuck it on the shelf there because I have nowhere to put it because it's the last one. And I'm like, well, I'll take it, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. So they're 10 to a pack, and I use those for shipping out my Etsy stuff. If you guys have not looked at my Etsy, please go give it a little like. And if you see anything you like there, feel free to purchase something and support me there. I picked up 2 of these. Bing! They are plastic, but they look like they are glass, and they are just adorable. So anytime I see these, I grab them. They did have quite a bit at my Dollar Tree, but I only took a couple. I could have taken the whole thing, really. And then last but not least, I always pick up lighters for my candles. And my only tip about these lighters is make sure you look in here and make sure that the gas that's in there, the fluid, is all the way up here. You guys, sometimes they're way down here. So look up here. Make sure you're getting a full one. Can you? I don't know if you could see in there. I was able to see. But yeah, make sure you're getting a full one. You get that whole dollar's worth. So I hope you like this. I wanted to do a live, but just wasn't able to do it with the broken camera and everything going on. I just needed to get in and get out. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because I'm going to be doing some DIYs with a lot of the projects that I got here, and I would love to show them to you. All right, beauties, have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you later. Bye!